How many times while creating a design on Canva, you end up by using a premier content like this? So if I'm gonna use this for my content, I need to pay for it. But in this channel, I'm creating a content about how to make money online and how to grow your business. And one of the marketing ways that actually using Canva to promote our business. So I feel like showing you this trick about vectorizing these pictures and to use in your design is going to be really useful. So how are we going to do this? So this element is like a vector, and it's here like a vector, but actually when we're going to download, it's going to be a picture. So what we are going to do is use this picture, convert it to vector, and after that we will edit the pixels so we get the best result. Okay, there is two ways to do it. First, we can do it directly, any element from Canva. Let's do this. So I have this extension, it's called image downloader. So when you press on it, it's gonna open all the image that it's already in the Google now. So we scroll down until we found our picture. Here we go. So you press on this icon to download. Okay, let's see it how it is. You see this Canva watermark. So for our trick we will need a software. It's called vectorizing, and I'm gonna leave the link for you to download this. Okay, we open the vectorizing, and it's actually, you will see, it's pretty easy to use it. So what we're gonna do is import that picture that we already download from using that extension, and after that everything basically is gonna be automatic. Like you just press on, it's recommend, it's very smart, so it's recommend the settings for you. So now I'm gonna go with basic, and after that I'm gonna go to artwork. So here it's transparent background. You can use black if you want, it's like a front black, or you can just leave transparent. I will leave it transparent for now. So the result, let's go for high. And for the custom color, I like custom color because sometimes I want to remove a color, like I will show you later if there is a background how to remove it just by selecting the color. So I will go just with the transparent and the white, and so do segmentation. Okay, so now this is the vector. You see, this is the bitmap. If you zoom on the bitmap, it's like a pixel. It's like in the bitmap, it's like a pixel. But the vector, it's clean and it's scalable, so you can actually use it like for little designs, or you can make it so big and it's not, the quality is not gonna change. So as we can see, when we put as a vector, it's not really like 100% accurate, because this one was the watermark. So what we're gonna do is, before we export our picture, we're gonna edit result. What we're gonna do that we're just gonna add pixel to fix this transparent thing. Okay, so first thing, you press on the color, the C shortcut. So you pick up the white color, and after that you create the pencil, the pixel. So when you click on any like this, it's gonna create a pixel. You can delete that pixel easily by creating choosing the color transparent, and after that just press on it. All right, so the reason why we need to use the pencil here, it's because we're gonna close the edges, so we're gonna fill it later, and when we're gonna fill it, it's gonna be all fill it without the background. So after that we will zoom out a bit and see all these open gaps here. Okay, here. So again with the pencil, and you can press on A to go like right or left or zoom. So pencil and fill. So we're gonna do this trick for all the open space here. Alright, pencil and fill. Already close it there, just need to close it from here. Alright, let's take a look. Okay, here and here. Alright, now it's look all good. So we're just gonna press on update. Another trick, actually, for example, if you want like to you have like a design and you want to change the color, so from the beginning here you pick up the color that you want to use, like go for black or go for something. Then when you go here in image downloader, you're gonna find the green one. So let's go back to vector magic. Okay, so now next, so we have a lot of options to export. So we can save it for AI, for Adobe Illustrator or PDF or scalable vector graphic, but we are just going for PNG now. So I'm gonna save it as PNG, and you can actually select the width, the height, and how much it's gonna be scaled. So I'm just gonna save it like this. Okay, now it's saved. So I'm gonna upload it actually. So I'm gonna upload it, and let's go back here, the white one, to make the difference. Alright, you see this one watermark and this one is clean without watermark, and actually it's the same quality. So now the second way, imagine that this picture is not from Canva, it's like a picture that you found it like while you are searching on Google. So the picture gonna have a background. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a screenshot of that element. So selected area. By the way, that extension is called Nimbus Screenshot if you want to use it. So we select this, then we're gonna save. So let's save as download. Alright. After that, we go to Vector Magic, we go to start page, import from folder, and let's take this. So look how it is now. It's look a bit funny, background blue, the white. So I'm just gonna go basic, artwork, high, custom color, and let's go for the white and blue. So now what we're gonna do is remove background, and you just need to click on this, click inside the element that you want to delete. Sorry, I made a mistake. If you made a mistake, just say undo, and like this. So next, save. Alright, let's take a look, upload. So this is with the watermark, this is without the already one that we created before, and let's put the other one to compare with it. And this one is the one that we created just now. And just to show you guys that there is no background, I'm gonna change the blue to like green. Alright, see? That's it. So, and it can work on any element on the web. So any element, any text. Yeah, there is some element need more work, and they need like to edit pixel by pixel or add pixel by pixel, but I guarantee that it's very simple and easy, and actually it can save a lot of money, because for me I'm using Canva a lot and this is like life-saving. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like the video, subscribe. If you want to see me next video, hit the bell. And my name is Ziad, and I'm very thankful for your support.